Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is an investment journey of an investment of $1,000 for a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, and we do take into account losses. So for further details about in-depth strategy and how to join us in the challenge for as little as $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we looked at tick symbol MMTLP, looking at the special dividend and a focus on bulls versus bears. So this was a video where we looked at viewer opinions, viewer theories and viewer predictions with regard to what may be a likely outcome for the special dividend, oil coast potential spin out, as well as giving my own perspective on that. So for a very interesting insight into those theories, please refer back to the previous video. In today's video we're going to be doing an update on ticker symbol MMAT, BBIG and also MULN, so stay tuned for that. Before we make a start on those stocks, let's have a quick look what happened in the markets. And what we can see here right now at time of editing, the stocks logged modest gains after a choppy start to the week. So stocks did trade slightly higher. This S&P 500 was up 0.3%. At the start it was up approximately 1%. Dow Jones closed around about break even. And in terms of the swing lower in equities from session highs also came as the 10-year US Treasury benchmark top 3%. Let's start with ticker symbol MMAT, Metamaterials. So in terms of the chart, not a great day today, so there was a little bit of a pullback, but let's have a look at what George has posted. So again, something a little bit more bullish here, and what he has said is brand protection and other confidential customer projects on the way by our Thurso production team. So we shared some images there. He's also again hinted here strongly in terms of confidential customer projects. So this looks like potentially an attempt by George to sort of justify him not giving information, to say that obviously the contracts are confidential, but again as soon as more information is able to be shared, again tweets like this are positive. However, most investors are still looking for something a lot more concrete than this. Let's now have a look at ticker symbol MULN Mullen Automotive. So this is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel. So again, I'm going to go straight to the investor relation page of the company and bring you some news that was shared today. So positive news. So this is also shared through InvestorWire. So let's have a look at what the company have reported. So the good news here is the company has said they are joining the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes on June the 27th after market opens, according to a preliminary list of additions posted by the FTSE Russell on June the 3rd, 2022. So this is very good news. Stock will be automatically added to the appropriate growth and value indexes. So this is a strong indication that the stock has very strong confidence from the institutions. So again, long term this should be great news. Annual reconstitution of the Russell indexes captures the 4,000 largest US stocks as of May the 6th, 2022, ranking them according to market cap, and membership to this index remains in place for 1 year. So again, we will have guaranteed membership for at least 1 year. So in terms of the response from the CEO, he said the inclusion of Mullen in the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes, which are some of the stock market's top performing stocks and benchmarks, is a great honor. So this is an excellent milestone for the company, and we will provide increased liquidity and investor awareness. So overall, fantastic news for Mullen Automotive. Let's now have a look at the one-day chart for Mullen Automotive. So on the screen here, you'll see as the news broke, the stock did at one point go well in excess of $1.54. So there was a little bit of a consolidation there. So the stock was up well in excess of 15%. Right now we can see the stock has closed at $1.38. So still a very positive day, closing up in excess of 8.66%. So again, volume is higher than average. We're looking at volume in excess of 118 million compared to average volume of 99 million. So I do expect once we get announcement of the Russell company for this to hopefully cross $2 and get nearer to $3. So let's have a look at some speculation from some of the people on social media with regard to what company this could potentially be. So let's have a look at some interesting theories and examples of potential partnerships here. So we're going to give a shout out here first of all to Prior Department 895, and what he said here is that FedEx is already partnered with someone. Can't think of off the top who it is. However, although FedEx is partnered with someone, that does not necessarily rule FedEx out. So obviously FedEx is a huge international global organization, so definitely not linked to partnership with just one organization. So I would still say that is certainly open. The Rockefellers probably identified the most bullish company, and that would be Amazon. No Train 2 has stated AT&T, possibly headquartered in Texas, and also known of another telecom user that uses EV vans. So again, interesting angle there. Mysterious Shower has said Tesla, so probably unlikely, but again, let's throw that in the mix. And Consistent Roll 3802 has said Amazon. Again, Amazon we've had there twice. And then finally, let's have a look at some other examples here. And Nerlinger OG has said part stores such as O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Napa, or Advanced Auto. So again, I think these are all fairly realistic examples here. Mainly for stocks, has said partnership with maybe Cintas, which is on number 470 on the Fortune 500 list. And again, probably the most bullish company out of the list that we're seeing together with Amazon is from Hoffman Guy, and he's saying he has a feeling that it's Apple. So if it is Apple, I think there will definitely be a squeeze. And finally, General Buy 1112 has probably given the most bearish prediction here. He says that a video somewhere that someone worked for MULN stated already it will not be a well-known company. So I'm not sure I agree with that, because almost all the companies in the Fortune 500 are well-known companies. So again, let's wait and see. And let's now finish off by doing a quick update on ticker symbol BBIG Vinco Ventures. So good news here, similar to Mullen Automotive on the screen here, June the 6th 2022, similar breaking news, and that is in the Russell 2022 index, the 34th annual reconstitution following the change of stocks. With regard to the Russell 3000 index, we have new additions, and this also includes BBIG Vinco Ventures here at the bottom. Amongst others, we have Lucid, Airbnb, WISH, Wish, Genius Sports, but the one we're interested in is BBIG. The next thing with regard to BBIG, I'm sure many of the investors will be aware that the stock has taken a little bit of a battering recently. So that is also with regard to what happened with regard to TYDE. What I'm going to now share with you is a reminder for many people who have been asking in the Discord and through the comments with regard to confirmation of the spin-off and distribution date. So I'm going to share with you again as a recap from the investor relations page on the company. There was a delay, so in terms of the specific date at the bottom, I've highlighted that in yellow. And what we can see here, the company currently expects the distribution date for the Cryptide spin-off to occur on or about the end of second quarter of 2022. So my perspective on that is that we should know by the end of June. So we're looking at approximately 3 weeks, and that's how my interpretation of that. So again, in theory, there's nothing to stop the company delaying again, but I think that will be unlikely. We should get confirmation. And finally, on a positive matter to finish off on BBIG, I'm going to give a shout out on Twitter here to Zash Global. So they have posted something very positive with regard to BBIG and Lomotiv. And what we can see here is that Lomotiv has ranked second as best TikTok alternatives, ahead of both YouTube and Instagram Reels. So again, great news here. The key thing that the company now needs to do is to get maximum value with regard to revenue generation from Lomotiv, which again certainly is possible. So again, finally, if anybody would like to join us in the Discord where we can chat and have live trading discussions with stocks such as BBIG, MULN Automotive, MMAT, you can join our Discord for as little as $9 a month. This will also give you access to the challenge as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.